The wait is over, and the last time we saw racing was the pre-season testing at Barcelona in February. So, after a long wait, Formula One started with a cracker race at Austria at Red Bull Ring. These are the results of qualifying. Let's see which racer is on which place. Valtteri Bottas is on the pole position in the first race of the season. The Dutchman Max Verstappen is on second, Lando Norris on third position, and Alexander Albon on fourth position. Lewis Hamilton qualified for P2 but was given a 3-place grid penalty for failing to slow down for yellow flags in qualifying and starts on P5. Sergio Perez on 6th place, Charles Leclerc on 7th, Carlos Sainz on 8th, Lance Stroll on 9th, and the Aussie Daniel Ricciardo on 10th. The 4 times champion Sebastian Vettel on 11th, the two AlphaTauri racers Pierre Gasly and Daniel Kvyat on 12th and 13th place respectively, and Esteban Ocon on 14th place. The two Haas racers Romain Grosjean and Kevin Magnussen on 15th and 16th position respectively, George Russell on 17th, and the two Alfa Romeo racers Antonio Giovinazzi and Iceman Kimi Raikkonen on 18th and 19th position respectively, and the debutant Nicholas Latifi starts on the 20th position. Before the start of the race, the racers came into the front of the grid wearing End Racism t-shirts in stand against racism and inequality. The wait was now of only few seconds. At the start of the race, it was a start which each Formula One fan was expecting. The race was gaining more and more interest, but during the 14th lap, Max Verstappen retired from the race as he seemed to have lost power, which is not a new thing with Max Verstappen. During the 19th lap, Daniel Ricciardo also retired from the race as a precaution with a suspected cooling issue. During the 22nd lap, Lance Stroll retired from the race as his car was losing power, and that was the third retirement of the race. During the 26th lap, Esteban Ocon made a move on Kevin Magnussen, and Kevin Magnussen's car went sliding and spinning away, and the safety car was deployed, and Kevin Magnussen retired from the race as he had to face a brake issue. The two Mercedes drivers were gliding in the front, but during the 43rd lap, sensor issues were seen on both the Mercedes cars and they were said to stay off the curbs. During the 51st lap of the race, Romain Grosjean retired from the race as he had an issue on the track, and it was a second DNF for Haas in the same race. In the same lap, George Russell retired from the race as smoke was coming out from his engine, and again the safety car was deployed. During the 55th lap of the race, Iceman Kimi Raikkonen's front right tire came off the car and went flying off through the final corner, and Kimi Raikkonen also retired from the race. It looked like Alex Albon will be on podium, but during the 62nd lap, there was a slight collision between Lewis Hamilton and Alex Albon, and Alex Albon went spinning out of the track, and his dream of finishing on podium was diminished. Because of the collision with Alex Albon, Lewis Hamilton was given a 5-second time penalty. Sergio Perez was also given a 5 seconds time penalty for speeding in the pit lane. During the second last lap of the race, Daniel Kvyat's back left tire got punctured and Daniel Kvyat retired from the race at the very last moments. Before the last lap, the difference between Lewis Hamilton and Lando Norris was 5.705 seconds. And if this difference was more than 5 seconds before the checkered flag, then Hamilton will be on podium. And if this difference was less than 5 seconds, then Lando Norris will be on podium. And after the checkered flag, the time difference was of 4.802 seconds. And Lando Norris was on podium. Oh, what an amazing result! It was an amazing result for Valtteri Bottas as well. Valtteri Bottas winning the first race of the season and led each and every lap of the race. These are the results of the race. Valtteri Bottas winning the race with Charles Leclerc on second and Lando Norris on third place. Lewis Hamilton slides on fourth place after a 5 seconds time penalty. Carlos Sainz on fifth position and Sergio Perez finishing on sixth place after a 5 seconds time penalty and Pierre Gasly on seventh place. Esteban Ocon on 8th place with Antonio Giovinazzi on ninth place and Sebastian Vettel finishes on 10th position after a disappointing weekend. Nicholas Latifi on his debut finishing on 11th position and there were DNFs in front of Daniel Kvyat, Alexander Albon and Kimi Raikkonen. Also, there were DNFs in front of George Russell, the two Hasses, Roman Grosjean and Kevin Magnussen, and also DNFs for Lance Stroll, Daniel Ricciardo, and Max Verstappen. The fastest lap of the race was at the name of Lando Norris during the 71st lap of the race, winning an extra championship point. It was a very amazing race with Valtteri Bottas winning the race and the Ferrari racer Charles Leclerc on second and an amazing race for Lando Norris as he finishes on third place. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe and do share your suggestions in the comments.